With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question here is state whether the following statements are true or false and rewrite the false statement in their correct form. The oxygen produced during photosynthesis comes from carbon dioxide. Now photosynthesis is a process in which the green plants are able to utilize the carbon dioxide and water, and in the presence of light they are able to synthesize the food in the form of carbohydrates. Now along with that, water molecules and oxygen is released. Now the question here arises whether this oxygen that is produced in the photosynthetic reaction, it comes from carbon dioxide oxygen or from the oxygen that is present in the water molecule. So for this, in 1940, Rubin and Kamen, they proved it experimentally. Rubin and Kamen in 1940, they proved that oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis and it comes from the water. Oxygen evolved in photosynthesis comes from water. Actually, what they did, they do two set of experiments. In experiment 1, they used heavy isotope of oxygen and label the oxygen of water molecule. So here this is labeled. Now in the presence of light and chlorophyll, photosynthesis will take place and the product formed will be carbohydrate, water and oxygen. And what they found, that the isotopes were evolved in the oxygen, means heavy isotopes evolved in the oxygen. And to double sure it, what they did experiment 2. And in experiment 2, they now use heavy isotope of oxygen O18 again, and now this time they labeled oxygen of the carbon dioxide. So this time oxygen of carbon dioxide is labeled and the oxygen of water is normal. Now same conditions, the photosynthesis will take place, same products will be formed, but during this time the heavy isotope is evolved in carbohydrate as well as that of the water molecule. So this oxygen here, it comes normal, no isotopic oxygen. So this proves that the oxygen that is evolved during photosynthesis, it do not come from the carbon dioxide. So the one thing that is clear is that this statement is false. Now we have to correct this statement. The oxygen produced during photosynthesis, it comes from the oxygen. It comes from water molecule, sorry. It comes from water molecule. Actually, in the light reaction, photosynthesis is further divided into two phases, light dependent and dark reaction. In the light phase, the photolysis of water takes place. And when the sunlight, it excites the chlorophyll, the photolysis of water takes place, and this photolysis of water results in the formation of 4H positive, 4E negative plus oxygen. So here this H positive and electrons are formed and oxygen is formed here. This proton and electrons, they are used for further steps. They are used in the next step to form NADPH and ATP, whereas this oxygen here produced, that is oxygen produced in the photolysis of water, so that is a byproduct. And this byproduct, that is produced in the oxygen during photolysis of water. So here the photolysis of water take place. So we can write the oxygen produced during photosynthesis, it comes from water. It do not comes from the carbon dioxide. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.